Philippines day 4, doing the small group tour, hitting all the different island spots out here. Kayangan Lake. How is it?
Yeah.
I botched that horribly. We're just going spot to spot. I did Barracuda Lake before. Beautiful turquoise water, limestone cliffs everywhere. And yeah, loving it. Absolutely beautiful. All right, here is the second spot, the Kayangan Lake. The first video I took was actually looking into the port. I guess there's 13 lakes here that connect, but you only have access to 2 of them. The rest are for like the indigenous people that are here. A couple people showed up here. The first place we were at, we were like the only 2 people. I don't know why I didn't take any video or film there, but looked pretty similar. Just stunning. That turquoise water is a joke. I jumped in this time. I didn't jump in before. And it was just really warm and refreshing water. All right, hiking back to the boat. So this was stop number 3, the Corral Gardens, which, if I'm being honest, I wasn't actually too excited about. But it ended up being, maybe a highlight. The coral comes up to about 3 or 4 feet to the surface of the water, and it just looks super alive and moving and different colors and tons of beautiful fish, blue, turquoise, big fish, yellow, like every color you could think of. And I swam around for longer than I thought I would. I literally, this sounds lame, but I was not that excited about the Corral Gardens. It was sweet. So this is definitely kind of a highlight. Water's like turquoise, see-through, perfect. Crystal clear, 100% visibility. Didn't see any turtles, which is always the dream, but unbelievable. It's just beautiful, beautiful snorkeling. All right, 4th stop, Twin Lagoon. First time there's been a lot of people, but still pretty manageable. Got the see-through plastic kayak. This is actually connected to the ocean, but beautiful, just limestone cliffs. That's the access to the second lagoon. We went over there and hiked up the ladder. The other lagoon has a bunch of the big pontoon boats, but this water is just absolutely ridiculous. Turquoise, big limestone cliffs. 4th stop, I think lunch is probably soon, and I guess there's another Corral Gardens and some beaches. Haven't seen any beaches yet. But yeah, Twin Lagoons, beautiful. This is the 5th spot. Getting a little shade here, lunchtime. Just a secluded, super tiny beach. That's the boat. About to eat right now. After Twin Lagoon, we've got another beach after this, and then another snorkel spot, which I'm excited about because the last one was so cool. So it's only 11 o'clock. We've already done 5 of the 7 spots, but pretty incredible. This water is it's stunning. You can see it not sure if it's showing up how clear and see-through it is from there, but absolutely beautiful. All right, so we just finished lunch, and now we're at what he kept calling the public beach. So I was like, I don't know what that means. It just means that there's no entry fee, but it's a small beach, but it's an island, so you still need a boat to get here. It's not too crowded, but yeah, a nice small little beach. It's in the middle, some small island in the middle of Coron province, Palawan, the Philippines. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around, check it out a little bit, relax. Lunch was amazing, just fish, shrimp, rice, veggies, just healthy, good lunch. This is stop number 6. We've got one more snorkel spot. We kind of ripped through this tour pretty quick. I didn't realize how everything was so close together. Coron Island has nothing really on it except for those hot springs we did yesterday, which was incredible. And then short boat ride out is all the like lagoons, limestone cliffs, this beach, the lakes, like everything. But yeah, beautiful out here. All right, just getting back about 3 o'clock. Hit all 7 stops. Last spot was more snorkeling, which was not as good as the first snorkel spot. First snorkel spot was incredible, beautiful fish. It just looked so alive. Everything was so alive down there. The coral, all the organisms, I have no idea what they're called. Second one, there was like waves, a little choppier, and the coral was actually up so high. It was like, I almost thought I was gonna just like scrape up against it. There was less fish. It was beautiful, wasn't quite as nice. Beach was nice, spot number 6, fell asleep there. So yeah, 3 o'clock, I'm exhausted. I mean, I usually fall asleep at the beach, but definitely home run day. I mean, just limestone cliffs, turquoise water, fish, beautiful. So I'm gonna try to find a gym in this town. I think it's not gonna happen. Ferry tomorrow, 7 a.m. Hit the hotel, get some more food. The food was great, the service incredible food. Great day. Coron hit it hard, so good.